Good morning, students. Now in this video I'm going to discuss about the second type of your pattern, string pattern question, type 2. Now if I given A, B, C, this is not a particular word, no, A, B, C is not a word, it is an alphabets given. Now for this type of question, how will you will be applying, will be using the ASCII values, okay. For small a, the ASCII value is 97, and capital A, the ASCII value is starting from 65, okay. So small a 97 means this will be 98, this is 99, this is 100. So if I arrange according to the ASCII value, what will be then? It is 97, 98, 99, 100. Yes or no? Then we have this as 98, 99, 100. This is 99, 100, and last one is 100. Clear? So this way I have arranged, I have written, change this question in the form of the ASCII values. I have arranged it. Now based on, now forget this, based on this we'll make the table and make the loop. You know how to make the table. That same follow up, the same method what we have done, since this is the second type or third type. This is third type where we have each value is changing in each line. So we have to look for what table. First table will be 97 to 100, then 98 to 100, then 99 to 100, and then 100 to 100. This is how you make the first table. We know this will be I, this is 100, this will be I plus plus, and if you go from left to right, from term we go I plus plus, from left to right if you go 97 to 100 you do plus, so J plus plus. Do we have a space? Yes, we have a space in front of the pattern. So for that also we'll make the loop. Again same, we will be using this only. I values 97, 98, 99 and 100. Now what I have to write here, where I have to have the maximum space? Last line, 3 spaces. So in the 3 spaces, the third value from the last is what? 1 to the 98. So we'll write a 98. Clear? So this is how we write. And then this you'll close it. This is I, this is 98. So from here you'll see 100 to 98 to minus, so K minus minus. Now based on this we'll make the loop. First make the loop. So the making of the loops is not difficult as you have done in the previous videos. Now from I will start from 97 to 100 I plus plus, 97 to 100 I plus plus. K loop is from I to 98 K minus minus. K loop is from I till 98 greater than or equals to 98 K minus minus. SOP space, this loop is done. Now what about the printing one? Now here we have made the J loop, I to 100 I J plus plus, so J goes to I, J less than J plus plus. Now while I am printing, this is a change what we'll having is, while printing we'll write char, and what you have to print, since the type 2 we have to print J, so char J I'll print. If I had to print type 1 was there, this was type 3. If type 2 was there, to print I, so we have to write char I. This is type 3, so I have to write char J. Clear? What does it mean? Now these are J values, no? These are the J values, 97, 98, 99, 100. These are the J values of the first line. This is the J value of the second line. This is the J value of the third line. This is the J value of the fourth line. Now 97 char J, what does this mean? This we have done before when we are discussing about typecasting in class 9. Typecasting means what? Conversing. Forcefully I am converting. The J value is an integer value. Forcefully I have to convert into character now. So 97, character value of 97 is what? A, small a. So that will be coming. 98, small 98, the character value is what? Small b, so that will be coming. So this is what you have to write. Char, should be in bracket. This is called explicit typecasting. You have done in class 9. Okay, so that you are doing, forcefully converting into this, the J value, forcefully I am converting character and printing it. So this is how the ABCD will be printed on the screen. Clear? And then we write SOPLN, then close the method, close the for loop of I and close the for pattern 1. Clear? The next one will do. Okay, the next one is given A, B, B, C, 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 D, D, D. This is given to you all. Okay, now how we'll be applying here? Okay, now in this case, again you can see here 3 spaces in the first line. Now again we have to first arrange with the ASCII value. Capital A ASCII value is 65, so we know that we have to have 65. This will be 66 and 66, 67, 67 and 67. then 68, 68, 68 and 68. Whether now you can see whether type 1, type 2, type 3. This is type 2 question where you have to print I. Now based on this, first we'll make a table. Now what a table first will be, we know the values of whatever is we have in each line, right? 65, 66, 67, 68. First line I have to print one time only. The first value is 65, so right here 65. So this will be I till 65. This is I plus plus. As we go down, and if we go from left to right, 66 to 65 to j minus minus. Okay, it will be the k loop also. K loop again 65, 66, 67, 68, and you have to make the space in the first line. We have maximum space, so you have to fill up here. So first line 3 spaces, third value is 67, so 67 writing here. You getting? So this is I, this is 67. Okay, and as we move from left to right, from the first value, as we know we have filled here, so we'll be seeing from here 65 to 67 to do plus plus. Okay, plus plus. Now based on this we make the loop. Okay, so you can see here the I loop will be what, 65 to 68 and I plus plus. So 65 to 68 I plus plus. K loop is from I to 67 K plus plus, I till less than 67 and K plus plus, so P space. And J loop is what, I to 65 and K J minus minus, so I till greater than equal to 65 J minus minus. And as you know, since this is type 2 question, I have to print I have to write char of I. So whatever ASCII value is generating of I, let's say 65 ASCII value is A will be printed, 66 ASCII values are B, so BB will be printed, 67 the ASCII values are C, so C will be printed, 68 the ASCII values is D, so D will be printed in the last line. Clear? So this is how you do this type of type 2 string pattern questions. Clear all of you? Understood? Now last one is left. Okay, we'll be discussing that in the next class. Okay, understood? Thank you. See you in the next video.